Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we're gonna learn how to create an account on Hulu. If you don't have a Hulu account, we will put our affiliate link in the description below for you to sign up and get 1 month free trial. This promo is applicable for new and eligible returning subscribers. Once you clicked on our affiliate link, you will be directed to this page. Here, you will see a button that says Try up to 1 month free. Click on Try up to 1 month free. First, choose your plan. Click on the Select button under the plan you wish to select. Next, enter all the required information such as your name, email and password you wish to use. Also, select your birth date and gender. Then click on Continue. After that, add your billing info. So first, select which payment method you'll use, either a credit card or PayPal. In this video, I chose credit card. After choosing, enter all the necessary information. Once entered, click on Submit. Then here, you could select some add-ons if you wish to. Just click on the plus icon beside the add-ons you prefer. But if you wish not to, click on Skip. Lastly, personalize your profile. Click on Next to proceed. After personalizing, you will be directed to the home page. That's how you create an account on Hulu. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos almost every day. Also check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles, and our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.